the deadline. Call now to take advantage of fall open enrollment. There's no obligation.
Call 1-800-950-9742. That's 1-800-950-9742.
I was recently diagnosed with diabetes, and my dry skin was a thing that alerted my doctor to my condition.
Gold Bond Diabetics Dry Skin Relief. 90% saw noticeable skin improvement in 1 hour.
My skin feels nourished, healthy.
Weeknights are Steve nights.
Let's get back to having family fun.
Get your Steve on Family Feud, Monday through Friday, 5 to 10 on GSN.
Feud, everybody. We got a good one. The Solo family, 159. And the Freedom Boys is on the board with 96. Give me Jim. Give me a step. Let's go, fellas. Point values are triple, top 4 answers on the board. Name something that starts with the word Playboy. Magazine. Magazine.
Hey, girls, Playboy, amazing.
Hey, how you doing, man? I'm back today. What do you do for this? I'm a police officer, sir. Wow, that's good. I like the police officer. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Take a look. Name something that starts with the word Playboy. I'm gonna go Playboy Mansion. Playboy. Name something that starts with the word Playboy. I'm gonna go Playboy model. What do you do, Joe?
I am a booty specialist, and we're going to have Mr. I'm a booty specialist.
You're a booty specialist.
That is correct. Well, I DJ weddings for a living, and there's not a booty in here. I cannot move.
Oh, you DJ weddings for a living?
Correct.
And there's not a booty in here that you cannot move?
Yes.
Jim, this time you got 2 strikes. The Soul family.